Today we have a special program. Don't move away. Good afternoon. Today we have four special guests. They are prisoners and soldiers of the Second World War. They came from different concentration camps. After 70 years, they still have clear memories about what happened. They are Adam Ludwig, Adolf van der Meat, Hannah Zenz, Noam Frank. Hi, Mr. Frank. What do you remember about your experience in the concentration camp?
Well, it was terrifying. The worst thing I have lived because I was homesick and I myself previous life a lot.
Okay, Hannah, was it easy to escape?
Not really. We were synchronized. For example, when we were digging the tunnels, some other prisoners were singing or doing noise to hide us. The Nazis made a terrible mistake to put us together because we knew a lot of mathematics and how to make a tunnels and other things so that we could the process up.
What does it mean, speed the process up?
It means that we could take all the tools we needed. The German soldiers give us some spots to do other things, but we used them for the tunnel and the soldiers treated us very well. It's usual normal concentration camp.
Why did they treat you so well? I have heard about other camps where the soldiers maltreated the prisoners. Did it happen in your camp?
We were treated very well because there was an agreement that all the armies had to treat all the officers well, and that's why we were in a separate camp.
Okay, thank you. Now we're going to have a break. Adam.
Hello. Hello.
Where did you work?
I work in Auschwitz and I work in Buchula.
Adam, what were your tasks in the concentration camp?
I had to control the prisoners. They couldn't escape, and that's why we controlled them. The prisoners had to do hard work, and they have to have a good behavior. If they broke any rule, I punished them. And sometimes I have to kill them.
Oh, did you feel bad when you killed them?
No, because I was serving my homeland. We were told that the Jews had produced the crisis in Germany, and Germany had fallen into poverty because of their fall. Everybody hated the Jews, and everybody thought that they had to be exterminated.
Oh, that sounds terrible.
No.
What does your son think about your job?
He didn't know what I had to do in my job. If he had known it, I would have been very embarrassed.
Tell us about the punish you put to Jews when they did something wrong.
Mostly, we used the poisonous gas, but we punished them without eating anything for days, putting them in gas chambers until they did or did mass executions.
That's tricky. Well, we have finished our interview to these personages, and that's all for today. Goodbye. We wish you have enjoyed that.